If you change midterm, you're going to get a check back. And I get this all the time. What do I do with this check?
Yeah.
Right? So I canceled insurance. I've got $1,000 check. I mean, don't go shopping. That's probably not the best idea. Golf clubs or shoe, whatever it is. Don't do that. Just sign it back over to your escrow account, deposit it back into those funds. So that way, at the next year, whenever they go through and balance that escrow account, it's not crazy out of whack. So a lot of times we will just help guys like, hey, you need to take this check. Who's your mortgage officer? Who's your lender? Who's your banker? Reach out to them. Let them know we're changing insurances. I'll email them, talk to them, and say, hey, that check's going to come. Stick it back in your escrow.
Well, and that's something that at closing, they sign document every time I hear, but it's pretty much saying, hey, if you're going to change the insurance, notify your lender first, because otherwise they're going to force place insurance on you. And but you sign how many forms that day, and you're not thinking about that. But that's super important. Notify. It is 100% fine to change at any time you want. Like you said, the borrower owns the policy, but notify your lender, because you do not want forced place insurance on your mortgage.
Yeah, that's forced place is like a 4-letter word. Really,
exactly.
Honestly, the coverages on those are rough. The premiums are super expensive, and that's because they get moved into like a high risk pool. Right. So they go from the standard market to where we could go shop and actually buy insurance to be in a higher risk, and that at that point in time, they're going to make you pay for it because they have the right to do that because they're partnered with you on that loan. So